Well, that was a very brief look at just a small fraction of what Ayutthaya has to offer. It takes about an hour and a half to get there from Bangkok. We took the minibus from Mochit Northern Bus Terminal, which only cost 60 baht, or about $2. There's about a dozen or so interesting spots to check out while you're there. I'll leave a link to a pretty good resource in the description, as well as the names of the spots highlighted in the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.